Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of space technology news is Amentum wins $974 million NASA Langley contract for engineering maintenance and modernization of research facilities in Virginia. Amentum has won a $974 million contract to provide maintenance, operations and engineering services at NASA Langley Research Center in Hampton, Virginia. The center maintenance, operations, and Engineering 2 contract will support research facilities, engineering activities and infrastructure modernization across the center. Under the CMOE-2 contract, Amentum will support advanced research systems including wind tunnels, laboratories and research utilities. The company will also provide design, project and construction management, configuration management and pressure system recertification. The scope of solutions and capabilities we deliver will ensure NASA Langley sustains its critical role in advancing space science and deep space exploration, said Mark Walter, president of Amentum's engineering and technology business. Amentum's technical expertise and agile management strategies have been instrumental in supporting NASA's vision for solving critical challenges and driving future innovation. Amentum will also provide preventive maintenance, repairs and central utilities operations across NASA Langley's institutional and research facilities. Their work is intended to maintain the reliability of facilities supporting NASA research and technology development. The contract includes capital improvements and modernization of NASA Langley infrastructure. Amentum will support automation of laboratory systems and wind tunnel testing facilities while managing complex systems and operational processes. Amentum has worked with NASA for more than 6 decades. The new contract extends that relationship and will support NASA Langley's research, technology development and exploration activities. The CMOE-2 award will also continue Amentum's role in maintaining and upgrading the center's facilities. The company said its work will focus on system reliability, operational processes and infrastructure improvements. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.